Not even at night. Not even at night! You guys fail me on every level. You know what? I honestly don't know what to do with you. You don't seem to win. No, that won't work. Right. You're just gonna go back out there. What's I think of a plan? No, honestly, I was expecting something more. What? Yeah, but I'm just gonna go now. Time to go die again. Still don't understand what I could do. No, nothing's coming to me. Well, I say after yesterday was a complete success. Yeah. But do remember, I am currently in charge. Yeah, until Red gets back. Ugh, fine. Let's get going. That was a funny one. Thanks. Anyway, I say we get ready. Who died? I didn't die. That was a shame. I fell away. Right. Get the boxes down. Huh. Wait, what did I stop here for? Did you hear something? No. Oh. Okay then. No! I missed the fly through the box. Get in the other box, otherwise I would die. Huh? Ah! Why can't the flipping die? Looks like I can find a box. Looks like I can find it. Ah! Ha! 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 What? What the? Ah! I still can't die. I wish I could. What can I do? Oh! Ah! Ah! Something hit me. Oh no. Ah! This is the day I found it out. I survived. What the heck is that? The heck is that? Out of here, you stupid. What? No one tells Petey what to do. Petey do what he wants. Huh. Petey gonna cause chaos. He's gonna kick down the tripod. I'm so evil. Maybe I'll take down these boxes and jump on the plants. This guy is, stupid. Very stupid. Why can't I die? Petey's going to win. Petey is going to Petey is not going to win. Petey's not gonna give up that easy. Petey go! How the hell are we gonna beat that thing? You know what? I hate to say this, and the boss probably kill me. We need to work together. Yeah, I agree. Let's go. Oh no! Petey coming down. I think we're safe here. Yeah, you're right. You can hide here. Yeah. Let me in so I won't die, even though I want to die. I'll be hiding here to escape the giant plant thing. Yeah, I got a bomb ready just in case he does come down. Okay. Didn't work. How do we survive? Wait, I thought we was on the same side. Nope. This battle's still a battle. Petey not liking this. It's Petey's turn now. Petey. Ha 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 ha. Petey looks to the grass and he gets the people inside. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. No! Why? It's time for you to go. Goodbye. Huh. Well then, I guess it's a truce. Yeah. But next time it won't be so easy. Goodbye. Huh. Well then, wanna go to the bar? Okay. Oh, look, it's on the box. Look, the climb is in the way. Oh no.